Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
If you're trying to clone or paste something onto a tilted surface, a brick wall, a book cover, the side of a building, and it keeps looking flat and fake, Vanishing Point is your fix. Open it from the Filter menu. Then use the Create Plane tool to trace the surface's perspective by clicking its 4 corners. Photoshop builds a grid that matches the angle automatically. Copy an image, paste it inside the tool, and it warps to fit the plane perfectly. Need a second surface, like an adjacent wall? Drag out a new plane from an edge. Click OK to apply everything at once. Surfaces that once looked pasted on will finally sit naturally in the scene.